hi guys, this is English version of the video named pipe. So um, basically what I will say is that I didn't check it myself, but it's kind of cool. Um, so why is it cool? First of all, I assume that you are using like some Linux stuff, Linux distribution, or I don't know. Um, and here we can see that for first of all we should create this named pipe using this command, for example, and then we can write something to it, and we also can read something from it. And what are the benefits? Like, what is it? Why is it better? Why we're not like making a simple file? Why we need like this command, special command? Okay, because this one is the same with all of the files. That are not actual named pipe, but this is like actually a named pipe. Okay, so what are the benefits? And the main benefit I think is that it is actually stored not in the hard disk or whatever you have. I hope not floppy, but actually in the RAM, right? So in random access memory, right? I think you have some sort of it. So it's super fast. Um, it will not be stored like if you power off your computer, I guess. Anyway, I didn't experiment at all with it at all. To be honest, I just read about it recently, like yesterday. So why does it cool? Like imagine like for example you're writing game, okay, and you just like add some chunk of code that this game like will actually constantly, continuously, sometimes, right, like every second or whatsoever in a separate thread maybe it will read some file, okay, but it is actually going to be pipe, named pipe, okay. So if it will read some command, for example meaningful command, it will also react on it accordingly, okay. So for example, I don't know, if it will read text exit, it will actually exit. Maybe this command is not very useful because you can like press this cross button in this case, but I think you got me, okay. So you can actually like do whatever you want. So and after that, like when you do this, you will just open like terminal, which I guess is pre-installed when you install any operating system, and you will actually just uh, write some text to this file that actually you're checking in your program, and that's all. So I think it's kind of flexible, and I think it's kind of good, and I think actually this is like the best way, right? Because uh, I mean, you can try to use a debugger, but I think it's this one is much more simpler. Okay. Um, Also, you can, I think, like add some buttons, extra buttons here in the window, or create another window, and those kind of stuff you will add, which will be not needed like in the end result, right? You can do this also, right? But again, I think this method is kind of beautiful, okay. um, and I think at least you should try it, okay, because I didn't try it and I'm very sad about it. um, yeah, so just try it. I mean, it's not kind of hard as it seems. So you basically you will just read somehow some file in your program, and react accordingly, and you will also somehow write text to that file from other place of your computer, other app, or anything you can imagine, or simply just in your terminal opened simultaneously with your main app. Okay, so I think it's cool. I think you should try it. Okay, so if you'll try it, like leave a comment. It would be actually interesting, at least for me, because I want to hear that it actually works cool. Because again, I didn't try it, and I don't think I will, at least right now. Okay, guys, I think that's all. Bye, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment.